What's up, YouTube? Today we're looking at a 77, and this just came out. It's 2022 still. It is a Yankee Barlow, and it has a little, I didn't see this before, it has a neat little hat on the pen. Let's check this out. This is in Stag, obviously. I don't see any gaps. This is the Stag. This is how I'm going to use the pointer on great pieces that don't have anything wrong to point at. This is amazing. But really, let's check it out. Action is spot on. Spot on. I mean, it's killer. It's literally, it's killer. That's it. I gotta talk though for 2 more minutes. If I do a 1-minute video, people will not be as excited because it's just too short. That's too short of a video. This fits in the hand perfectly. This is a great piece. The Stag on it is amazing. I just got this today in the mail. I was interested to see if I would end up wishing I'd gotten the other SFO from Mike Latham at Collector Knives, the olive wood from the Mount of Olives, I believe. You probably remember this from Bible study or, Sunday school, that's what I'm trying to say. Because there's a lot of history in that, right? Obviously, a lot of history in that. I mean, that's, Christ literally walked there. This is just a great piece. I couldn't ask for more than this. And honestly, I don't think I can complain about GEC anything, probably for the remainder of the year. It's just too good. Anyway, that's all she wrote for this one. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Bye now.